Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you Google Play movie. What is it? I'm gonna explain you. When you buy a Android mobile, it's always installed automatically on your device. If it is not, so I will explain you what is this and how it works. So guys, you can see all the movie, old or latest movies over here. For example, let's go for Spider-Man. If you want, but it is not for free, I will tell you first. If you want, you can rent for 120 rupees, or else you can buy for 190 rupees over here. But what I see in this app, if you are going to watch a movie on YouTube, but it is more clarity like 4K movies right over here, and some settings you can manage from here. You can see over here library and watch list. If you are going to search for something like free, you can't find for free. Something is available over here, but you have to click over here, add to watch list. But if you are going to pay or you are going to take for rent, it is very nice to watch over here. So guys, this is only this much in this video. It's nothing more. I just want to show you this app because if someone wants to know. So guys, that's all. Leave a like, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and till then, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye friends.